What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another modification for the 3rd Gen Tacoma. You guys have a 3rd Gen Tacoma. You guys know that the throttle response on this truck can be a little bit sluggish, and especially if you guys have a lot of modification like bumper heavy stuff like I do. Yeah, the throttle response is definitely noticeable. I don't mind it when it was stock, but right now with all the modification I've done to the truck, it can be a little bit sluggish. So one way you can fix that is have a pedal commander. And so in this video, we'll do the unboxing of the pedal commander and show you guys to install. It's super easy install, can do it within maybe under an hour or so. And then of course we can test it out to see if there's a difference in the throttle response. But yeah, let's do the unboxing of the pedal commander and check it out. Alright guys, so this pedal commander was sent out to us, so we'll take a look at it, see what's inside the box here. And a sticker here, look at it. That's kind of cool. I really like the packaging. It's really nice. Look at that. Man, that's nice. Somewhat like military ammo box or something. Alright, so we have a pedal commander here. And oh, okay, so it's connected to all these wires. Let's see what else. Okay, got some zip ties. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a cleaning thing. Okay. And some double-sided tape. Oh, Velcro. Okay, so this is for, I'm assuming, to mount it somewhere. So yeah, but the most important thing is this guy here. Man, I was surprised. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger from the look of my other friends' pedal commander, but I'm surprised it's kind of small. That's what she said. But yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to the unboxing. Yeah, we'll see how it works with my Tacoma, guys. Let's do it. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is, I saw this on YouTube from another creator. What you want to do is take your key away a little bit farther from the truck so it doesn't throw any codes when you start taking off the gas pedal connection right there. So what I'm going to do is take the key. The car, as you can see right there, still detecting with the key, so we want to go pretty far away and put it somewhere 35 feet away. So I'm gonna put all the way to the end of my shed, and so that doesn't really code when we take it off for installing the pedal commander. So let's do that first. All right guys, so we're ready for the install. So super easy. As you guys can see, this is under the gas pedal right here. There's this connection right here. So what we want to do is unplug that. There's a clip up here, and then we'll put into the pedal commander. So it's a truly plug and play system. But yeah, let me do that right now and unplug that, and then put in the pedal commander. It's really tight, but are you guys able to put your finger in? There you go. I just have to reach all the way in here too. It's coming. Whew, there it is. Okay, so now it's super simple. Just plug this into the OEM gas pedal connection, and then this one back into it. So truly plug and play. We'll do that right now. Of course, ice cream had to come at the worst possible time. You guys probably heard that click, but yeah, that should be in. Oh man, the hardest part is just reaching underneath. You have to do this weird position with a bad back. That's always an issue, but yeah, so that's the way it's running right there. It's connected. So we'll see about routing it up here somewhere. We'll see. All right guys, we're able to fish it through the steering wheel underneath. There's just enough space right there, and then yeah, we'll attach it right here. I thought about to the left side, but I tend to look to the right more. So Yeah, we'll put it right there to the right. All right, guys, that should be it. Super easy install. I'm gonna have to zip tie this, clean it up a little bit so it's not dangling like that, but pretty easy. That's how it should work. And yeah, let's test it out right now.
This is the 2 credit cards nationwide, based on February 2020.
All right, now we're in the app. Once we download the app, you know, you have to create an account, but yeah, finished installation. It's checking for, hopefully able to detect it. We'll see. Okay, so detect pedal command. Okay, look for the serial number. Serial number is back here, guys. That's how you find it. All right, the pairing is complete right now. I'm on city mode number 3, and on here is city mode, so you can choose sports plus, eco on here. Let's cancel that for now, but city, and you can control from here instead of down there. But yeah, so it should be able to go, yep, exactly with that. City 4. So yeah, pretty cool. Let's see what else. Add device. So all this is just extra stuff. But yeah, let's take the truck for a spin, and we'll see if it makes a difference at all. All right, guys, testing out the pedal commander on my way to work right now. One thing I noticed immediately is how fast it responds when it comes to the acceleration and you know, pressing on the gas pedal. And I kind of knew that from one of my buddy that has it on his 4Runner. The response, he said the response is super quick, and I think that's the main reason that has it. As you guys know, for 3rd Gen Tacoma, it can be a little bit lagging when it comes to you know, pressing the gas pedal and the truck not responding as quick as you like. Now, when I was driving the stock Tacoma when I first bought it, yeah, it was really quick. But now with all the upgrades, suspension, heavy bumpers, winch, all that good stuff, the truck is definitely heavy, and therefore whenever I accelerate, it feels like it's very sluggish. But with the pedal commander now, I feel like it was just back to when it was stock, or even quicker. So I had no idea how quick it was when it comes to pressing the gas, but now I totally, yeah, it's way more responsive than when I, you know, before. So definitely that's the noticeable differences when it comes to having the pedal commander on the Tacoma. Now we're gonna hit the highway pretty soon, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. But yeah, so far when it comes to just driving on the city, on the street, yeah, definitely notice it. And you kind of need that sometime, you know, to avoid stuff or quick maneuver. So a little bit quick response from the gas pedal is always appreciated. But yeah, let's jump on the freeway. Hopefully there's no traffic and we can really see how this goes. But yeah, let's see how it is when it comes to being on the freeway with the pedal commander. All right, guys, now jumping on the freeway. Noticeably difference between the Tacoma in the past and now with the pedal commander. I've noticed that yeah, acceleration, as was mentioned, is quicker, and just the ability to pick up speed is much quicker too, and sometimes you kind of need that being on the freeway to avoid certain situation. But yeah, I've noticed it's so easy to get up to 70 super quick compared to before when it was super sluggish. That's what it feels like to me. So yeah, it's a little bit more responsive on the freeway, and I don't know, I just feel like it's a much better drive now compared to when it was before. And MPG wise, I haven't noticed too much of a difference yet. I still about halfway tank up gas with the pedal commander, so I'll let you guys know if there's an improvement on that. But yeah, so far being on the freeway, for me, I feel like night and day difference. Pickup speed is easier, and then yeah, the response when it comes to the gas pedal is much better. But so far, that's my impression being on the freeway. Alright guys, so I've been driving on city mode most of the way. Now I want to try and go on the sport, and let's play around with the setting. Maybe we can go up to maybe 3, see how that is. But yeah, I want to test out this mode, see if it's any different compared to the city mode with acceleration and you know, all that good stuff. So let's check it out. Alright guys, to see how fast we can get up to 70. Oh yeah, I got to turn here so I can go slow, but that was super quick. All right, let's see. Got our turn here. We're at about 60 right now. Yeah, definitely it doesn't take much effort to get up to speed in the freeway right here. Gotta slow down a little bit. Traffic's coming. Are you guys gonna test out the Sport Plus? See if that makes a difference. We're gonna jump on the freeway pretty soon. The 55, and yeah, I'll see what's the difference between being on the Sports and Sport Plus mode. Yeah, definitely quick. I'm not sure if I like that mode better than the other one. The sports, just the regular sports, is definitely going about 70 right now. It's kind of jerky in my opinion. It's, yeah, the acceleration is really quick. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that one or not. But yeah, I feel the regular sport mode was good enough, but the Sport Plus is, man, it's definitely. Acceleration is super quick. Alright guys, going back to the city mode, I feel like that's the best one to be on, at least for me. Having the truck being so heavy, it is kind of nice to have that little bit of easier to respond when it comes to the gas and the but I don't think I need to be on the sports mode anytime. It's just a truck, so it is what it is, you know. It's just heavy truck, so I don't need to be taking off that quick. So yeah, if you guys like a little bit more gas and go faster, and but for me, I feel like the city mode is the best. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Super easy install, can probably do under what, 15-20 minutes if you get able to get that clip out. That's the hardest part, was getting the clip out and then installing the pedal commander inside. But yeah, as you guys saw, there's a difference. I've noticed it immediately. So yeah, if you guys have a Gen Tacoma and you guys feel like it's a little bit sluggish, there's other way to do it. I know tuning it is another way, and obviously re-gearing is another option. But if you guys want a little bit to save money on that, you can do the pedal commander, which yeah, I can definitely tell is the throttle is a little bit better. But yeah, other than that, it's yeah, pretty easy mod. You guys have any questions, let me know in the comment, and I'll put all the link in the description for you guys to get one for the Gen Tacoma as well. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. Have a few adventure planned this year. been kind of hard with a baby, and he's a toddler now, so that's why it's been hard for me to go out and do trails and adventure. But hopefully this coming summer, we're looking forward to a few trips that we already planned. All right, catch you guys on those adventures. All right, take care, guys. Bye.